Hello everyone. Today I've got a new appliance which is a Kenstar Oxy Fryer. You will find it easily available at Flipkart, and Shah Rukh Khan is endorsing this appliance these days. Looking at the picture, I can see that it looks similar to Philips air fryer with the difference in the color. And reading at all the details, it says it has got an auto power cut function with a 1500 watt machine. Moving on to more details, it also says that it has got a larger food basket with a capacity of 3 liters with a non-stick coated food basket, and for the safety it has got an auto power cut function. Looking at the other side of the box, it says that it has got a temperature setting, which the knob they are talking about, the time setting, and the pilot lamp, which are the power cut function it has got. So I have got this product for 799, although the MRP is 8490. Let's open up the box and see how does the product look like. So this is the product, and this is the manual which goes along with every product, with all the instructions about the Oxy air fryer, the specification, how to use it, and the troubleshooting and the maintenance things. So which must be usual thing. Let's open up the box. We can remove the poly bag, and the color will look nice, different from the other air fryers. And as you can see, it has got a handle which is a little flimsy and it's not very supportive and stable. And this is the temperature setting, the knob, 80 degrees Celsius, 120, 160 and 200, which I suppose we can set like this by moving this. This is the timer knob, so we can set the timer from 1 to 30 minutes. And these two are the lamps, which must be the auto power cut function which it has got. And this is the basket, which it's not very comfortable to take it out. As you can see, it has got stuck and I'm not able to take the basket out. Finally, the basket is out, and you can see the capacity looks decent, and we can even try taking this basket out like this. And feeling from the weight of the basket, I'm finding the quality not too good, although visually the product appears very nice, but quality I somehow feel is pretty light. And as you can see, I'm finding problem in putting back the basket as well. So this is how to put it. Taking out of the basket and putting it back function is not very smooth, and we can then see. Okay, so this is the main mechanism and the element with which it fries the food. And looking at the mechanism, the coil, and there is a fan, which in fact I'm again disappointed seeing that the quality is not looking very nice. It's looking like a very cheap quality product. So I will now put the basket back. As you can see, it constantly gets stuck in between. Looking at the back side of the product, this is, I suppose, the space from where the air comes out, and this is the normal coil. That's about it. Overall, I got this product because it was cheaper than Philips air fryer, but I don't think my decision was 100% right. But I cannot comment completely because I have to make the food in it, and then only I will see how is the product.